the kids. It's not too bad. What they're saying.
Call me IKEA.
Unbuckle me up, Cuya.
He's evolved. Now he is IKEA.
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 IKEA. We're here at IKEA. Ready?
They're going in.
Alright guys, today we are getting the kids' wardrobe. It's cold. We're at Renton, IKEA with IKEA and Callie.
Live outside of water.
Caleb the Explorer. We are IKEA. There we go. Alright, go give us a tour.
It's so long.
The line's so long.
It's so long up there. Or down there. Up here. Up there.
Yeah. What do you guys want to eat?
Just do two, that's fine.
Yeah.
Up down, up down, up down, up down, up down.
You guys gotta carry your stuff, please. You like this thing?
Do you like that thing?
Like, you can go in like every
Sup?
direction.
Yeah. Are you singing, Callie? What do you want to eat?
Watch out, Callie. Gotta go this way. Alright, babe. Caleb, which one are you going? Is it gonna be yours? Which one? Which one are you gonna eat? Ah, for sure. I knew it. Let's go check out some of this. With hazelnut, and this one is just a chocolate bar. Let's try them all. You're gonna have to be ready till they get what you got.
Where do you want to eat? Why are you still dancing? Still dancing. Where do you want to sit? Over by the window, babe. Window? Yeah. There! In the corner. Huh?
There's a sign saying you can't sit in any of these yet.
What? Then over here. No. Okay, go get your food, Caleb.
Alright, so we're gonna get a burger for Caleb. Come on, Callie. We'll put you in there in a second. There's a burger for Caleb.
Yeah, Callie's gonna have the Swedish meatballs.
Some Swedish meatballs.
Me too.
Milk.
Yes.
I'll take them in a second.
Yeah. Where's the car? Somewhere. Yeah.
Scared her. She's like, how long can you get that?
So it's really not that bad. Swedish meatballs. Babe. And then I'm gonna have some of that too. Rice? There's no rice.
Where's my rice?
You want? You want rice? Made up of rice? Yeah, for 37 something. This is pretty good. It's a lot of food. Yes?
Where is my cord?
It's somewhere there. Right there. It's all the way there by itself.
And then these are all the cakes for you.
Oh, the big one?
Yes.
The blue one?
Alright guys.
Kidding.
IKEA food for you.
I'm sitting by
Yes.
Oh, God.
Super hungry. Super hungry.
You're not supposed to open it, you're just supposed to
I
not.
have their famous Swedish meatballs. Callie too. Caleb has the pulled pork with mac and cheese, and Ryan has the pork shank. And we have some desserts and chips and chocolate. Alright, let's go dig in.
Where is the spoon for this?
It's a fork.
I'll give you a hint.
There it is. So this is potato chips with pepper and leek. And then let's see what's
Bacon.
Pickled mushroom flavor.
sounds good.
What?
What?
Alright, close your eyes and I'm going to feed you one. You got to tell me which one you think each is, okay? We got a mushroom one and we got a pepper flavor. Not a hot pepper, okay? Alright, open your mouth. And take a bite.
Which one do you think that is?
Maybe it's this one, the mushroom one. Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna try again. What was that one?
He
Sure?
saw your hand in it. To eat your food, guys. They're so used to Filipino food now they don't want to eat other kind of food. Well, they want rice and
Meatballs are
noodles.
like meatballs.
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes, Callie. Close your eyes. Okay, open your mouth.
Oh,
You gotta close your eyes and open your mouth.
I think Callie was cheating.
Close your eyes. All the way. All the way. All the way. No.
This is how we Caleb, stop. You're giving me a headache.
Why headache?
You move too much.
I don't know where Okay, let's go. See the other ones, they just left their trays over there.
Huh?
They just left their tray there. Just get our stuff.
So they return your tray here, so I don't.
Okay. Put your jacket on. It's getting cold.
Oh shit, no.
Are you gonna put your jacket on? Put it on so you don't have to hold it. What are we getting, Caleb? You don't know.
And then the number 1.
Okay.
When you stand up, it's easier. Alright, give it a good tug. I'll help you, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Pull, 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 pull. There you go. Okay, now you gotta stand on the side and pull. We're on that side. We're gonna bring this closer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pull. Pull, 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 pull. Stand up so you don't hit your knees. There you go. Pull, 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 pull. There you go. Keep going, gotta get all the way there. Good job, high five. Now we gotta do another one. Alright, we gotta do the number 1 now, okay? Actually, let's spin this. I think we gotta do the part 2.
Huh? What are you doing?
We gotta have the part 2 in the other one.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be in your room, Caleb. The bins. So your stuff are not in plastic
You wanna help
bins.
me with this other one? I'm gonna spin this one around first, okay? Hold on to the cart so it doesn't move.
I can't stand up any longer.
Hey, it's moving. Did you get Caleb?
Got some wardrobe for me.
And some shelves for Ryan.
And some boots.
And what are you holding?
What? I'm too
And-
tired.
Why are you tired? Caleb, why are you tired?
What is our jacket?
It's too
because
big.
I was walking too much.
Yeah? It's a big store, huh? Almost there.